Top 5 Best Table Saw for Small Shop. Number 5. Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw. For those seeking portability and versatility in a small package, the Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2 is a great choice. Setting up in seconds, this tabletop saw is ideal for job sites and workshops, weighing only 15 pounds with a compact footprint. Despite its small size, it performs a variety of cuts, including rip, cross, scroll, and miter cuts, thanks to its standard guard and riving knife system. The RK7323 features a tool-less blade change system that works with any brand's 4-inch T-shank blades, and 5 blades come included for cutting wood, tile, plastic, and metal. With its 3000 RPM no-load speed and 5.5 amp motor, this saw can handle wood up to 1/2 inch, ceramic tile up to 3/8 of an inch, and even metal cuts. The built-in safety switch prevents accidental starts, and the onboard accessory storage keeps everything organized. With its portability and wide range of cutting capabilities, the Rockwell BladeRunner X2 is perfect for light to moderate cutting tasks and is backed by a 3-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. Coming in number 4, Evolution Power Tools Rage 5S Table Saw. The Evolution Power Tools Rage 5S Table Saw is a versatile and powerful option for cutting various materials, including steel, aluminum, wood, even with embedded nails, and plastic. With a 15-amp optimized gearbox and blade system, this saw ensures both longevity and efficiency in tackling different materials with a single blade. It features a full-length adjustable parallel fence with a measuring rail guide for precise, smooth cuts. The blade tilt can be set up to 45 degrees, and the miter range is up to 60 degrees, making it easy to achieve all common cutting angles. It also offers a 3 1/4 inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and a 2 1/4 inch depth at 45 degrees. The saw's large table and left-right extensions allow for wide workpieces, while its collapsible frame with wheels provides easy storage and portability. The included push stick and safety features enhance operation safety, and the 3-year limited warranty is an added bonus. Coming in number 3, DeWalt DW7485 Table Saw for Job Sites. DeWalt DW7485, with its 8 1/4 inch blade and 15-amp motor, is a compact powerhouse designed for job site use. Despite its smaller size, this table saw offers outstanding performance with a 5800 RPM motor capable of handling a wide range of materials and cuts. Its rack and pinion fence system allows for smooth, fast adjustments, ensuring high accuracy and consistency in cuts. One of the key advantages of the DW7485 is its portability. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to transport without compromising performance. Additionally, it includes onboard storage for essential tools like the blade guard, anti-kickback pawls, and push stick. This makes the DW7485 a versatile, all-around choice for professionals and hobbyists alike, allowing for precise cuts on various materials, including 4x8 sheet goods. The adjustable bevel and depth settings provide the flexibility needed to tackle diverse woodworking projects with ease. Coming in number 2, Skil SPT99-11 Heavy-Duty Worm Drive Table Saw. Skil's SPT99-11 Heavy-Duty Worm Drive Table Saw brings legendary worm drive power and torque to the table with an impressive 3 5/8 inch depth of cut and 30 1/2 inch rip capacity. Its precision rack and pinion fence system allows for quick, smooth adjustments for accurate cuts. Designed for job site use, the rugged rolling stand features 16-inch wheels, making it highly portable, even on uneven terrain. The dual-field motor, patented by Skil, runs cooler for extended use, making the SPT99-11 perfect for long workdays. It's designed to handle various materials, from plywood to 4X, with ease and precision. The dust port elbow helps to contain debris, making cleanup easier. The outfeed and left support enable one person to handle larger cuts efficiently, making this saw an excellent option for contractors and serious woodworkers alike. Coming in number 1, DeWalt DW7491 RS 10-inch Table Saw. The DeWalt DW7491 RS 10-inch job site table saw boasts a 32 1/2 inch rip capacity and a rolling stand, making it a top pick for professionals. Its rack and pinion fence system ensures smooth and accurate fence adjustments, while the 15-amp motor provides enough power to rip through hardwoods effortlessly. The telescoping fence rails make the saw portable, extending and retracting easily. This model offers a 3 1/8 inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2 4 inches at 45 degrees. Its 2-inch dust collection port can be connected to a vacuum for efficient dust extraction, minimizing cleanup time. Additionally, the rolling stand offers quick setup, breakdown, and excellent stability, with heavy-duty wheels capable of rolling over steps, curbs, and debris. The 26 1/4 inch by 22 inch table offers ample material support, and its onboard storage provides convenient access to tools like the push stick and guard components. This saw is ideal for cabinet installers, hardwood floor installers, deck builders, and serious woodworkers needing a versatile and powerful tool that can rip sheet material, framing lumber, and trim effortlessly.